Welcome everybody to the channel. The purpose of the channel is mainly for update to friends, family, and co-workers, but my wife and I are going to be building an earth shelter to green roof home. It should be highly energy efficient. It's going to be our retirement home, fully ADA compliant, universal design compliant. We're not doing this to try to get up a big following or anything. If it happens, it happens, but we're not planning on that, not planning on making money from it. We're just here to keep people updated with the journey and where we go along. So thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe. This week we've gotten a number of things done, so I'm gonna bring you over here, kind of take you up slowly. Basically, what you can see here is Alabama Power's dropped our pole in place and got the transformer on it. And then basically we're going to get the under slab and electrical inspection done tomorrow. But I'm going to come over, I'll kind of just walk through and you'll see all of that gray pipe sticking up. As a refresher, the 6-inch pivot white PVC is ventilation pipes. The red and blue PEX and the 4-inch white pipe is drain pipes. We've got the water entrance and the stub out for the drain to the septic tank over here. But all those gray pipes you're starting to see in here. And I'm gonna kind of pan through and walk over a little bit so you can kind of see all of them. But those are all the under slab electrical for outlets, for switches, for the home runs. I'll show you where the panel's going to end up being. I'm going to step around this. And go over here. You can see right here in the middle, we're going to have a multi-split in there. That's where the outside unit will go. And it has 4 indoor units that'll come off of it. And then as I come around here, you'll see this big grouping of electrical conduit right there. That is actually where the panel will be for the electrical. And then I'm coming over here, and this is where the electrical service and stuff will be. The switch for the generator, the meter, all that stuff will be on a retaining wall that comes out here. And then I'll step over a little bit more so maybe you can see all the pipes. Not nearly as many out here in the garage area, but we have the garage area done. So now we have all the under slab electrical work. Tomorrow the concrete team will come back in. They'll finish putting their backer boards up, making sure their forms didn't get moved by the work that was being done. They'll have to go in and recompact the dirt in the center in here and throughout the forms and get that done. And they'll have to clean out the foundation footings and get that taken care of in there. I'll walk over, you'll see that as people have been walking across and they've been digging trenches and stuff, you can see, you know, like right in here, there's gravel that's falling down in where that'll be. So we'll get these things kind of squared up and rounded and stuff as they need to be done. They'll be putting rebar in there. Once they get all of that stuff done, they'll have their inspection, and then we'll get to pouring concrete. But that's probably a couple of weeks out before we actually get concrete poured. But this is kind of where we're at now, with all the plumbing and electrical stuff that's put under slab and the forms you've seen before. Thanks for watching. Thanks everybody for joining for this episode. I know that the videos sometimes will be kind of sporadic as we make various progress and have fits and starts as we go through this journey of building our retirement home. Again, if you want to get notified, go on and hit subscribe. But again, we just appreciate you jumping on here and the interest that we have in the journey we're taking on building our retirement home. Thanks again.